Sorry, ma, your card declined.
My card declined?
Yes, ma.
Oh my god, and my app is not working. How do I buy this little thing now? Oh my god. And how much is it again? 11,200. It's not even that expensive.
I beg, avoid me. I beg. I just go to beg.
I wish one good Samaritan would just pay for me.
I'm the wicked man. This guy don't know me.
Oh, it's like I have to go and return it.
Hello guys, IamDike. It's OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, I trust you're going to enjoy this one because it's blockbuster. So make sure to watch to the very end. Make sure to subscribe if you're yet to do that, because it's gonna be a blast. Trust me on that. You feel me? So my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Pastor Zacchaeus. What is the meaning of this thing you're wearing? Why are you covering your face?
Oh, I should not cover my face. Why would I not cover my face? You think I don't know what you do to people, so that you will now video me and go and tell people that I'm supporting you? Governor Amuneke, I'm not supporting you. I don't want to cover my. I don't want to reveal my face. Thank you.
And the thing looks a little bit suffocating.
Let it suffocate me. Let it suffocate me. Did I tell you that I'm suffocated? Please, 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 do what you come here to do and let us move on.
There was still edit, you know. There was still edit.
Pastor Zacchaeus. This is for you and your entire church, Resurrection Power.
Jesus. Governor Amuneke, I'm not going to accept this abomination from you. Okay? Take this money and go back. Take it back to where it's coming from. I and my church, we are not going to be bought over. You cannot buy us. You cannot buy the Lord your God. Thank you. You want to buy me, you cannot buy my soul, okay?
You don't call it buy. I'm not here to buy your soul or ask you to vote for me. No, that is not why I came. This is my tithe.
Governor Amuneke, we don't need your tithe.
Nice. Wow.
We don't need your tithe. Take this evil and go back. You see, this your tithe. It's going to tithe us. Yes. Hey. What's going on? What is this? What is this? Please don't die here. Go to that place where you are from. Don't come here and die. Are you okay? Are you okay? Governor Amuneke, don't die here.
Let us see the end.
Thank you.
I was joking. Sorry about that. I like to have ulcer of the throat sometimes.
What's up?
That's all.
I still want to ask you again. Will you collect my offer?
Governor Amuneke, I see that you are leaving my face to the world. But still then, I stand my ground as a prudent man. I am not going to accept this abomination from you. Take this money and go back and go do the right thing. Okay? In fact, if you don't understand it when I'm saying it, I'm going to sing it for you. I don't want your governance. 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 Governor Amuneke, I don't want your governance. Hey, whoa, daddy.
Thank you. I appreciate your support. Your songs. How did you come up with that? The way you just came up with a rally song for me.
Rally song? Which one is support? I did not sing any rally song for you. I just said I don't want your governance.
No, you collected the money.
Support.
Let's see the edit.
Governor Amuneke visited the General Overseer of Resurrection Power Ministry. It was spirit-filled and fun moment that after Pastor prayed for Governor, he initiated a mass game with him. And after that, the pastor went on to compose a rally song for the governor.
I want your governance.
Are you playing?
I want your governance. I want your governance. I want your governance. Governor Amuneke, I want your governance. Hey, whoa, daddy.
Blood of God.
You follow woman on here on earth instead of following woman in heaven.
Which kind talk with it? What it concern heaven and woman?
Because for there na woman plenty now.
How?
Now what for you? You never hear this song.
Which song?
Joy, 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 joy. Heaven is full of joy, joy, joy. Heaven is full of joy. Joy na woman name. Woman plenty for joy na man name. Now what for you? Woman plenty for heaven. Let me they say that heaven is full of joy.
Oh God.
As we reach there, we go deal with woman as a man. You go still chop fish.
We go dey chop fish for where?
You go chop fish for heaven.
Barbecue fish.
Which are any kind of fish where you want chop, you go.
I think concern fish and heaven, no verse.
Fish na God created na in best protein.
So God they chop protein.
Now what for you? You know, see for Bible everything about God. Anything where God want do sometimes fish they involved. You understand me? When Jesus come, Jesus feed 5,000 people with 2 loaves of bread and 5 fishes. Now what for you? When Jonah disturbed God, where God vex for him, he put him in the belly of a fish. Now what for you? That water will nearly sink Peter. Where Peter enter inside that water, waiting they live inside. Fishes. Now what for you? Even when Jesus go find other disciples, he tell them, follow me, I will make you fishers of men. I will make you fishers of men. I will make you fishers of men. Pomo is your holy water. Yeah. If you don't see fish, you go chop. Pomo. Now what for you?
Babe, this is the worst by the day. 4 seeds of tomato 3,000.
Babe, waiting be this man. This tomato no go do for waiting I won't cook a bag. You get 500. Give me my go buy tomato.
Wow.
She will carry the tomato come now. No worry.
Which kind of one like this one now? Which kind of country? The other person take survive for this kind of country now.
Babe, see tomato I buy.
500.
How much you buy this tomato?
500.
500?
Yes.
For that same guy?
Yes, no.
Babe, I come. Wait, I come, wait.
My God, I don't understand.
Oh, boy, this song sweet though. Who sing this sweet music?
I mean, my Chrome's now.
Nice sing this song?
Yes, now.
What is the title of the song?
Away by my Chrome's. It's available for all streaming platforms.
Wait, you sing this kind of sweet music now they say tomato?
I man go do now. They try gather money so that I go use promote the song. Understand?
Chai, you know what? Money go come.
Yeah.
You go promote your music and people go stream out.
I believe now they also me understand what I get.
We no vessel. You can small tomato yourself for me for 3,000. Well, my girlfriend come here and I see plenty tomato yourself for 500.
Ah, Precious. Precious now your girlfriend?
Yes.
Ah, I just said for her sheep because she said she did sell for me sheep now.
Hey, bad guy. Yeah. I see what you did there. Wordplay. Later. I like that wordplay.
You don't understand what you mean by it.
I just said for her sheep because she said she did sell for me sheep.
My God.
You explain that well, brother. You got to explain that.
Hey, do you see what I said to you?
Fine girls, no look back, no look back. Just pass me the phone.
Please don't kill us.
No time. If you look back, I'll blow your fucking head off.
Babe!
They go now, they go.
The man, turn back!
Babe. So naive.
So what can you call here? Give name. This is my husband.
Nice to meet you.
Hey! How far now? You thought say they come house on time now. Why you know?
You know the hustle now.
If you go like this, like two people. Let's see, they get money.
They pass outside.
And their perfume.
Left or right?
Right, like
right
this, that junction.
Right on it.
Work for us, oh! Make me proud.
The struggle is real, bro.
Na ka ji da wannan rayuwar. Gwara ma kawai in rataye kaina. Aikin nabi. What?
You go see another one now.
Handicap.
Trap.
Hey!
No people get sense. So your mind never tell you it's in a trap.
Oh, Billy.
You don't see khaki.
Hey!
enter inside. This guy Mumu. Hey.
My friend, they sleep the piece for body.
Hey.
And this your age. You see the piece? Oh man, wow. Hey! So na dream. And they do it like this. They drive Benz.
They drive Lexus.
At least I don't hammer. I don't even.
Hey, babe. You're welcome.
Thank you so
Yeah, please have a seat.
Hey, babe. Meet my boyfriend.
Hi.
But I not take it serious.
Jesus.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
You not take it serious now.
Babe, what's she talking about?
You are asking me? Who is this girl that you brought to my
This
house?
is my friend. And everything she says is the truth. So what is she talking about?
Baby,
Now why you tired about?
my serious girl.
Hey! Not too much talk. Call your phone.
Babe.
Serious girlfriend. Call your phone now.
You gonna explain tire.
Babe, are you believing this girl? Babe, you can't listen to this girl now. You are my serious girlfriend. You can't listen to this girl now.
Oh, leave the phone. Leave the phone. Me? Fufu seller.
Jesus.
You know they sell food.
Blood of Jesus.
You said my name after everything I've done for you.
After waiting. After waiting you done for her. You. Call her too.
What? You mean I should call her?
No, there's no need.
Call her too.
Hello, give me my phone now. Excuse me.
Una go dey wine on herself.
So now they for relationship.
Jesus.
What?
Hey! Jesus.
Well, what plumber?
That's not what you think. See, I'm
You saved my number as a plumber.
Bros, wait. Plumber and fufu seller. Na better collabo.
My friend, will you shut up your mouth? Take your phone and get out of my house.
Okay, you want break up? Why now? Una too fit now. Better collabo. Make una marry. Who you want leave am for?
I don't understand. Hello? Get out of. I am done.
You cannot be done with this relationship.
You take rest now.
Come on, get out.
Who you want leave am for?
So I carry you come person house. See, I hear you want for disgrace me.
You people should not do this here.
Go out. Go back and sit from my house. Go back and sit.
Jesus.
Please leave.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Now no get sense. Now tutu no get sense. No worry.
Slap me. Yes, go ahead and slap me. My wife is coming. Slap me. Don't waste time. Slap me now. Slap me. Hey. Are you not? Why will you slap me now? Is something wrong with you? Why did you slap me now? My love, you're here. Can you imagine this girl? She just slapped me. I didn't do anything, no. Why did you slap me? Is something wrong with you?
Susan, how are you? Wait. Did you just call my name? Is your name not Susan?
Hey!
How did you know my name? Hey, wouldn't I be stupid if I don't know my husband's side chick?
Oh.
You think we don't know all these things? How are you? What did you say happened to you again?
I was just on my own and then she just slapped me. I don't know what I did to her. Can you imagine?
Hey. Susan, it's nice to meet you. Actually, I knew my husband was in your place. So I was coming to meet you so we can have a conversation. I'm asking you to move in with us.
What do you mean by she should move in with us? How? Is that...
Please, I was talking to you. Move in with us. Since you like my husband so much and he likes you so much, move in. You're actually going through a tough time now. I'm very sure he's the one paying your rent. And he's the one paying our rent, paying our shop rent. The responsibility is too much. So if you move in with us now, it will reduce the responsibility on him. Me, I don't care. People can do anything you are doing, but just move in so that I'll be seeing my husband at least.
Madam, are you sure about this?
I'm very sure. I'm very, very sure.
What?
Okay. I would not mind though.
Will you shut up? Will you just shut up? What do you mean by you will not mind? You want to move in with us? Babe, what are you talking about? How could she move in with us?
You are a nice person. Now you like me now. She wants me to move in with you people.
That's not possible. That's not possible. You cannot move in with us. You can't move in with us.
But she already knows everything about us. She already knows we
my
are
dear,
dating.
actually you are the one I was talking to. His own is not an issue.
Okay.
If you can sleep out, that means you can actually come to us. What's the difference? Please move in with us, I've been lonely. I'm married, but I'm lonely. Maybe when you come now, I'll have someone to be talking with.
That's true.
So
anyway, me, I don't even mind though, even if it's to be second wife self.
Right?
I would like you.
I knew I was going to like you.
Babe, you can't be doing this kind of a thing. What kind of embarrassment is this? Why would you ask a stranger to move into our home?
Me, stranger, baby. So I've become a stranger. Your wife is a very nice person now.
You only slap me. I will just met here. You slap me, and that's all. Why are you calling me baby?
Are you not the one that said I should slap you? Are you not the one that said I should slap you?
Me?
Because you saw that she was coming. She's a nice person.
Let's go home. Let's leave. See, leave this thing.
As I was saying.
Yes.
What do you want? Let me see what you smoke. Stop passing. It's not allowed. Be careful with that thing. Ah.
Let's go still smoke.
Hello, Benga. Okay, what boost your followers? Boost our social media. They boost any kind of platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, any platform. If I can't likes, you want to shares, comments, favorites, anything they boost them. They also say cheap data. Yes, very cheap. When I go to our website now, www.socially.ng. May start to work with them. When I 100, I give it to you. One love.
Hey! I don't say you go carry and smoke. You don't drag. You don't get sense.
Sorry, ma, your card declined.
My card declined?
Yes, ma.
Oh my god, and my app is not working. How do I buy this little thing now? Oh my god. And how much is it again? 11,200. It's not even that expensive.
I beg, avoid me. I beg.
I wish one good Samaritan would just pay for me.
I'm the wicked man. This guy don't know me.
Oh, it's like I have to go and return it.
Did I call you to come? No, be you come.
I wish someone would just pay for me. Just a good Samaritan would just help me. Okay, I'm going to return it.
I mean, what you say, escape poverty.
I'm returning it. Oh.
You, they go now. They go.
They go.
Block line. Madam, take my.
Don't anybody go for the phone and you care. Now me, the financial general. 41 battalion Nigeria army. Now me you go.
No go walk. You go cry. Callmewhizzy, this is like the 50 million naira. Okay. Carry and go give those kidnappers for White Junction. Okay. Now there are some BDs where you go give them. They go use and release your papa where they kidnap. Okay. Where they go? No issue.
You give Callmewhizzy.
Baby, come to Dubai.
My guy don't carry money.
Stop there. If you move 1 inch, I'll blow your head. Drop your bag. Drop your phone. Oh yeah, run! Run!
Hold on, let me introduce you to this app called Carding, where you can trade your gift card instantly, convert it to raw cash. All you need to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and download it. Then while registering, use this invitation code here now, and they will give you 3,000 naira to enter your wallet, bam, immediately.
Madam, nothing again, no holding like that. What happened? Why you wrong? What happened? No, you they rob me here, no.
Rob you?
When you tell me drop your phone, drop your bag, I don't drop everything. I don't carry anything again, I beg, sir.
Oh! I was on call. I dey tell person how they take rob me for jotter. I call like they make.
I don't drop my bag and my phone, no idiot.
Thanks for watching, my people. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please make sure to check out my other videos. Check them out. Then plenty. You understand? Check them out. Drop nice comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Peace and love.